Hi, good morning and good evening, one and all. This is GNI News. In today's topic, we are discussing on G20 Summit 2023, crypto market hopefully for constructive dialogue on global regulation. As world leaders are gathering in India to attend G20 Summit 2023, the crypto market is hopefully for a dialogue on the revival of the industry with a common regulation in place. Under the leadership of India's presidency, the G20 countries are reportedly poised to introduce what could be recognized as the first of their kind regulations government cryptocurrencies and crypto assets worldwide. India is one of the major players in the cryptocurrency market. According to statistics, the cryptocurrencies market in India is projected to grow by 9.83% during the 2023 to 2027, resulting in market volume of USD 324 millions in 2027. Recently, instability in the crypto market prompted a call for global coordination on regulation to avoid the anti-digital asset sentiment and fend off attempts to ban on or restrict digital currencies in some countries. The cascade of crypto events in 2022, highlighted by the bankruptcy of crypto exchange firm FTX and its effect on trading and lending firms, underscored the inherent instability and weakness in cryptocurrency assets. These incidents also showed a significant service provider collapsing can safety spread risks across the crypto assets framework, making the ecosystem vulnerable. This in turn affects the widely economy as investors lost in the crypto market are still tied to money circulating in the financial system. Under the leadership of India presidency, the G20 countries are poised to introduce what could be recognized as the first of their kind regulations governing cryptocurrencies and crypto assets worldwide. Crypto assets use the internet to operate independency from central bank, central authority or a government. They include cryptocurrency, utility tokens, security tokens, and non-fungible tokens. The regulations are being drawn up with the support of International Monetary Fund and the Financial Stability Board, a body that monitors and make recommendations on the global financial system. Regulations are expected to help investors harness the potential benefit of crypto assets while mitigating associated risks by addressing security, consumer protection, financial stability, and international cooperation issues. Among these cryptoism, when cryptocurrencies and assets are substituted for a country domestic currency and assets, circumventing exchange and capital control restrictions, the newly drafted framework for the regulations is guided by the same activity, same risk, same regular principle. It is designed to guarantee proper protection of client assets, manage risks linked to conflict of interest, and enhance collaboration across international borders. Regulators want more robust regulations to make the crypto economy less vulnerable. The FCBS framework is a path toward the aspiration. The framework will provide input for synthesis paper with the IMF to support a coordinated and comprehensive policy approach to crypto assets. The synthesis paper main focus is expected to be cryptocurrencies' worldwide macro implications, that is, how it may affect state and national economies with broader international consequences. It will do this by combining policy finding from IMF work on macroeconomic and monetary issues and FSB work on supervisory and regulatory issues. The coordinated effort will lead to rules that country can follow to ensure digital currencies are used safely and don't cause big problems for the economy. Documentation of policy. The paper to be tabled at the G20 summit in New Delhi in September is expected to highlight concerns that include regulations, compliance, and ensuring the companies handling digital currencies are doing it secure and responsibly. The policy paper's recommendation could chart the way for mitigating risks associated with crypto assets. Among the provisions expected in the paper are some aiming to ensure the security of crypto asset custody and address consumer protection and market integrity issues. It could also suggest that countries work together to prevent money laundering and the other illegal activities involving digital currencies. The policy paper will help the wider community understand crypto assets better and highlight their benefits while recognizing the risks and challenging their volatile, decentralized nature poses. The paper is expected to encompass suggestions from India presidency document as well as insight from regulatory bodies behind the FSB and IMF. India will use the G20 summit to try to showcase its efforts advocating for a universal acceptable framework for cryptocurrency regulations. An assembly comprehensive paper would serve as a testament to these efforts. There is even a possibility that Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi proudly highlight the establishment of these proposed global cryptocurrency regulations under India leadership during his open speech at the G20 Leaders Summit. India has already positioned itself a global leader in crypto regulations. It has established anti-money laundering obligations for crypto operators where they have to register with India's Financial Intelligence Unit and voluntarily report any suspicious activities. India also wants to give users the ability to digitally sign documents using a crypto token, bolstering secure transactions and digital interactions, and supporting Web3, another big boost for crypto. In its 2022 budget, the Indian government classified cryptocurrencies as a virtual digital assets, that is VDAs, and introduced a taxation framework for them which defined cryptocurrency selling, swapping, or spending regardless of any amount of term limits. India will use G20 presidency and work with FSB and IMF on the synthesis paper to validate some of its national regulations. It hopes these policies can be converted to a global regulations for crypto assets, promoting India as a leader in crypto regulations. If it can achieve its regulatory aims, India might find itself a pioneer in bringing order to the evolved world of crypto assets. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe so that we can do more videos in future. Thank you.